Don't pick an email marketing tool until you watch this. Your brand's digital identity lives and dies in the inbox, but the perfect email tool depends entirely on your specific workload. A solopreneur launching their first lead magnet needs a completely different engine than a high-growth brand scaling their list, or a design agency that demands total control over every line of code. Choosing the wrong platform leads to technical bloat or creative frustration. To avoid that, you need to match your goals to the right environment. AWeber provides a guided, AI-powered roadmap for those who want to get live fast. Email Octopus offers a lean, high-speed engine for marketers who value efficiency. And Stripo serves as a professional design studio for pixel-perfect agency-level results. Today, we're breaking down each one to help you identify the specific platform that fits your workflow. Getting started with email marketing doesn't have to be overwhelming. AWeber simplifies the process by providing a clear roadmap immediately after you sign up. Your main dashboard features a personalized setup checklist. This ensures you complete the essential steps, like publishing a sign-up page and welcoming new subscribers without having to dig through complex menus. AWeber provides pre-built landing pages that are live-ready. By navigating to the landing pages section, you can see designs that are clean and professional, acting as a perfect starting point for any brand. Entering the editor reveals a powerful drag-and-drop builder. You can easily customize the visual identity of your page by swapping out images and uploading your own brand logo from the image gallery. Precision branding is easy here. You can modify button styles, adjust alignment, and input specific hex codes to ensure your Get Notified or CTA buttons perfectly match your brand colors. Managing form fields is just as intuitive. If you want to collect more than just an email, you can add fields like name and simply drag them into the preferred order to optimize your conversion flow. Once your edits are saved, publishing is a one-click process. AWeber instantly generates a page URL and provides built-in social sharing buttons for Facebook, LinkedIn, and X to help you start growing your list immediately. Email automation and campaigns. Automation is handled through the Campaigns tab. AWeber offers pre-designed templates, like the Welcome series, which are set to trigger automatically the moment a new subscriber joins your list. The automation workflow allows you to apply specific tags to subscribers. These tags are a great way to organize your audience and ensure you're sending targeted content to the right people at the right time. The message editor and AI tools. The message editor is designed for speed and flexibility. It features a streamlined interface where you can manage layouts and add columns without leaving the main workspace. A standout feature is the use of slash commands. By simply typing a /, you can instantly pull up a menu to add buttons, images, or even access the AI writing assistant, keeping your focus entirely on the content. AWeber features a direct Canva integration. This allows you to design professional banners and headers within the AWeber interface, save them, and have them automatically placed into your email without any manual uploading. Content creation with AI adding calls to action is simple with the button element. You can customize the label, add your destination URL, and center the element to ensure it stands out to your readers. For those times you need content fast, the AI writing assistant is built directly into the editor. You can provide a simple prompt, like asking for a recipe or a newsletter intro, and the AI generates formatted, ready-to-use text in seconds. Global styling and theme customization. Rather than editing every block individually, you can use the theme menu to manage global styles. This allows you to set universal colors and font pairings for your entire email at once. You can choose from various font combinations and button styles. Updating these settings in the Theme tab ensures that every section of your email remains visually consistent and professional. Seconds. Subscriber management and growth. Bringing your existing audience over is a straightforward process. The import screen allows you to upload CSV files or simply type and paste subscriber details directly into the system. If you're moving from a different provider with a large list, AWeber even offers a migration services team to handle the heavy lifting for you. To keep growing your audience, your published landing page remains your best asset. You can share the link across community groups and social platforms to continue feeding your newly automated welcome campaigns. Email Octopus. While AWeber focuses on high-touch AI tools, Email Octopus is designed for users who prioritize speed and a clutter-free experience. Your journey begins on the dashboard, a central hub offering quick access to every essential feature. If you're just starting, your first move is creating a list to house your audience. You'll need at least one contact to activate the system, even if it's your own address, though you can easily import existing subscribers via spreadsheet. A core philosophy here is the single list approach. Rather than duplicating contacts, Email Octopus encourages using one master list organized by custom fields and tags to keep your billing efficient. You can manage these tags through dedicated tabs in your list view, allowing for high-precision segmentation so the right message always reaches the right person. Beyond static data, you can segment based on engagement, like who opened your last email. By mixing and matching these criteria, you can create specific target groups to tag or manage in bulk. To grow your audience, you can design standalone landing pages or embed sign-up forms directly onto your website. For more complex workflows, the platform integrates with various third-party tools to capture leads wherever they arrive. When you're ready to design, the Templates tab offers a library of pre-made layouts to build your foundation. Most users will prefer the visual drag-and-drop editor, though the classic editor is available for those who want full HTML control. From there, you can launch a campaign, a one-off message sent to your whole list or a segment, either immediately or on a schedule. For a hands-off approach, use automation to trigger emails based on subscriber actions, such as a personalized welcome sequence. Once sent, the Reports tab provides real-time data on opens, clicks, and bounces. Finally, use the account settings to manage your plan and sender domains, while the integration section handles API keys and webhooks. If you ever need assistance, the help icon in the corner connects you to a deep knowledge base. Executing your first campaign. With your list ready, launching a campaign is simple. Navigate to the Campaigns tab from the top bar to get started. Remember, you must have at least one contact in your list to unlock the creation menu. New users will find a prominent Create button in the center, while returning users will see it in the top right. With your technical foundation solid and your account fully configured, you're ready to move from administrative setup to active engagement. Choose Regular Campaign for a one-off mailing. Start by giving your campaign an internal name. Don't worry, your subscribers won't see this. Next, set your sender identity by choosing the name and email address your audience will recognize. When crafting your subject line, use merge tags to insert names and emojis for a personal touch. You can also add preview text to catch the reader's eye in the inbox. If left blank, the system pulls the first lines of your content. You can check the mobile layout of your subject line using the preview tool on the right. Next, select your recipients from a list or a specific segment. In the advanced settings, you can toggle click tracking or personalize the To field for a more intimate feel. Now enter the editor. You can use the drag and drop tool or select a saved layout from your templates to stay on brand. Customization is intuitive. Drag image blocks for your logo and edit text styles to match your brand. You can easily insert hyperlinks or use the button tool for clear calls to action. For exact branding, use hex codes in the color picker to match your scheme. Don't forget to link your social profiles using the social follow buttons. Before finalizing, use the preview section to toggle between desktop and mobile views. You can also send a test message to yourself or a colleague for a final review. On the summary page, double-check all your settings. Choose to send immediately or schedule it for a specific time zone, then confirm to send your message on its way. While launching a campaign is the final milestone, the professional impact of your message depends on how you structure its foundation within the design editor. Mastering layouts with rows. To create a polished, organized design, the editor uses a modular system called rows. Rows divide your template into sections, providing a structural framework that is easy to manipulate. Simply go to the Rows tab, pick a column layout, and drag it into your template. You can then return to the Content tab to drop in text, images, or buttons. Reordering your content is effortless. By clicking a row, a handle appears in the bottom corner that allows you to drag the entire section to a new position. This is perfect for complex emails. Instead of moving elements one by one, you can rearrange entire thematic blocks in seconds. Using these structural tools, you can build responsive, professional designs while maintaining total efficiency. Stripo. If you're looking for a faster, more intuitive way to design, Stripo is your go-to solution for making professional emails with ease. Think of the design process like playing with Legos. The platform uses a modular approach that allows you to build complex layouts piece by piece. You have full creative freedom, ranging from basic blocks like images and text to advanced interactive elements like countdown timers and gamified content. By mixing and matching these components, you can build a custom email that perfectly suits your brand's unique needs. Customization is at the heart of the Stripo experience. Every single block is adjustable from top to bottom, allowing you to tweak every detail until it's perfect. Whether you need to change a background color or make your headline text pop, the editor provides the tools to do it instantly. Whether you are crafting a simple weekly newsletter or a high-impact campaign that wows your audience, Stripo ensures you can get every detail just right. Under the hood, code and collaboration for the developers and power users who love to get under the hood, Stripo includes a robust HTML and CSS code editor. This playground allows you to dive directly into the code and tweak your design to your heart's content. It's all about providing the ultimate flexibility and the freedom to create things exactly your way. Stripo also recognizes that great marketing often requires a team. That's why the platform features a real-time co-editing tool that lets you and your colleagues collaborate without the usual chaos. You can edit, comment, suggest changes, and resolve questions directly within the editor in real time. This joint effort significantly speeds up the design process and ensures everyone is on the same page. Modular power, lists and containers. Where Stripo really pulls ahead of basic editors is its modular container system. Managing bulleted or numbered lists is effortless. You can move entire blocks and restyle icons in seconds without breaking the layout. Redundant containers can be deleted with a single click to keep the design lean. Even updating your call to action buttons is simplified, allowing you to center the focus on your conversion goal. Branding and accessibility. For designers who care about the details, the background and contrast controls are top tier. You can easily adjust text styles to ensure the email meets accessibility standards and remains readable. I'm a huge fan of the tightening workflow, removing extra spacers and adjusting paddings to get that clean, modern look that usually requires custom code. The signature and global updates. Managing the footer and signature is equally streamlined. You can reuse previously uploaded images and globally update links and contact info to ensure consistency across the entire header and footer. Depending on your plan, you can even remove the Stripo branding here for a fully white-labeled experience. AI-powered design and quality control. Stripo's AI tools are a massive time saver for busy marketers. The AI assistant can generate alt text for your images automatically, which is a pro-level feature for deliverability and accessibility. Before you ever hit send, the preview tool shows you exactly how the email looks on both desktop and mobile views. They also include a detailed verification checklist, covering everything from Retina logo compatibility to testing your UTM parameters. AI image generation. If you're ever stuck without a high-quality asset, the integrated AI image generator is a game changer. You can select specific AI models and input your required dimensions. By entering a simple prompt and waiting roughly 1 minute for the render, you get a custom, professional banner that looks like it was designed by an agency. It's clear Stripo is built for users who want agency-level results without the agency-level effort. Conclusion: who is it for? Selecting the right tool depends entirely on your specific stage of growth and your technical needs. Here is our breakdown of who each platform is for. We recommend AWeber as the ideal choice for solopreneurs and beginners. If you want a platform that acts like a mentor, guiding you through the setup with built-in AI writing, Canva integration, and a clear checklist, AWeber is the roadmap we suggest for a successful launch. We believe Email Octopus is built for high-growth brands and efficient marketers. If you value a clutter-free environment that prioritizes speed and a single-list philosophy to keep costs low and deliverability high, this is the high-speed engine we found works best. Finally, we see Stripo as the premier studio for designers, agencies, and collaborative teams. If you demand agency-level results, real-time co-editing, and the ability to bridge the gap between AI image generation and raw HTML code, this is the design playground we recommend. To help you get started, we've placed affiliate links to all 3 platforms in the description below. Clicking those links is a great way to support our channel at no extra cost to you, allowing us to keep creating deep dives into the tools that help build your business. Pick the platform that matches your workflow today, and we'll see you in the next amazing review, Agency Level Effort.